Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to install Gitbash in Windows 10. Open the any browser and type the git-scm.com /download/win and just click on that in 64-bit Git for Windows setup or 32. I'm clicking that in 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Exe will be downloaded. Just double click on that and you'll get something like that. Just scroll it and click on the next. uh, I, eh, you can customize that in path if you want, or you can keep it as it is and click on the next. Before that, just make sure you have at least 225.5 MB of free disk space is required for that. uh, I'll be choose that in default one. If you want, you can customize it and again click on the next. uh, it's asking don't create a start menu folder. If you select these ones and let it be for git and click on the next. It's asking for editor, again click on the next. Here we have a three options: use git from the git base only, git from the command line, and also from third-party software. Use git and optional unix tools from the command prompt. I'll be go through that in recommended one and click on the next. Here again we have a two options: use the OpenSSL library, use the native Windows security channel library. I'll be go through that in OpenSSL, which is default one, and click on the next. On configuring the line editing conversations, just check out the Windows style command, Unix style line editor. You can choose that in second and third as well. Again in next screens, I'll be go through that in default. Use min_tty, the default terminal of msys2, and click on the next. Here again we have a three options: enable file system caching, enable git credentials manager, and enable symbolic link. I'll be go through that in default one and click on the install. After clicking on the installations, it will take a few minutes and your git will be installed. uh, in next screen you will get that in two options: launch git bash and view release note. But I have unselected that in view release note and launch git bash because I want to do that in manually, and click on the next. That's all about for installations. Now just click on that in Windows button in your PC and type that in git, and you'll be see that in something git bash, and you know the installations part is there. We can just type that in any Linux or Unix command, like in ls-ltr, where we can see that in a directory structure, we can see that in current directory. And that's all about in this lecture, and thanks for watching.